Hello friends, welcome back to Gruhinis world. Today I am going to show you a famous Hyderabadi Ramzan special sweet dabalka meeta. I'll show you a very simple way of making this famous sweet without using khoya and getting the same divine taste. Friends, I've also posted easy way to make Ramzan special chicken Haleem. You can find the link in the description box below or in the suggestion card above. So, shall we start our recipe? Drying bread under sun or fan avoids absorption of excess ghee or oil while frying. Friends, please wet the pot and pour the milk before switching on the stove. The wetness minimizes milk sticking to the bottom whenever you cook dishes like rabdi. Friends, I know this is little painful, but keep stirring frequently so that milk doesn't get burnt in the bottom. Friends, ghee can be replaced with oil here, but as we don't make sweets every day, I strongly suggest using ghee for delicious sweet. Sugar syrup has to be little sticky, no need to have a string consistency. It is very important that we should not cook more than 2 minutes at this step. The bread would get very soft and we would miss that mild crispy texture in the sweet. Okay friends, I'm sure you can savor the divine taste just by looking at this yummy sweet. My husband and son were eagerly waiting for me, and once I finished the video, the sweet was gone in no time. Please do try this sweet at your home and provide your valuable feedback in the comment section below. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe Gruhinis World. Thank you. Bye.